A city wakes before the sun fully touches its skyline. Steel begins reflecting pale blue light before the streets feel warmth. Glass surfaces shimmer quietly without revealing their true purpose. Something massive stands at the center of it all. But at first glance, it hides in plain sight. Not ancient in ornament. Not futuristic in chaos. Not aggressive in its presence. Just silent. Just deliberate. Its surface bends the sky into fractured reflections. Its shadow moves with mathematical precision. Its height feels controlled, not accidental. Thousands walk beneath it every single day. Very few ever pause to truly look up. Why does it feel different from other towers? Is it the scale? Is it the silence? Is it the way light slides across its edges? Steel columns disappear behind curtain walls of glass. Geometry locks into rhythm with disciplined repetition. Every line feels measured against invisible forces. This is not just height. This is control over gravity, control over wind, control over weight and pressure. Deep inside reinforced cores lies calculated strength, a structure engineered to stand beyond generations. And today, we rise into that story. Welcome to Architecture Zone, where engineering becomes legacy, and skylines are shaped by ambition. In the heart of Shenyang, one tower redefined vertical balance. This is Spring City 66, a structure rising approximately 384 meters. Completed in 2014 with disciplined precision. Designed by Kohn Pedersen Fox, known globally for skyline statements. But this tower chose restraint over spectacle. Its base stretches wide as a luxury retail podium. Horizontal mass anchors the vertical rise above. Above it, the office tower ascends with calm symmetry. The façade uses high-performance curtain wall glass, engineered to manage extreme seasonal temperatures. Summers demand reflection of harsh sunlight. Winters demand insulation against northern cold. The building negotiates both without visible compromise. Beneath the surface stands a reinforced concrete core. This core acts as the structural spine. It absorbs vertical load with quiet strength. Outriggers extend outward at mechanical levels. These connect perimeter columns into one system. The tower does not fight the wind. It distributes pressure across its frame. Wind tunnel testing refined its final proportions. Edges were studied to reduce vortex shedding. Even subtle oscillations were engineered away. Occupants should never feel movement at height. Comfort becomes part of structural responsibility. Inside, floor plates open without perimeter columns. Panoramic glazing frames the surrounding skyline. Natural light penetrates deep into workspaces. Architecture supports productivity without forcing it. Below, the retail complex shifts the rhythm. Curved pathways encourage slow exploration. Atrium spaces expand vertically for visual drama. Escalators align with sightlines for orientation. Circulation flows intuitively without confusion. Materials balance permanence and modern refinement. Polished stone grounds the lower levels. Steel mullions emphasize vertical elegance. Glass ensures daylight remains the dominant element. At night, the building transforms into a luminous marker. Interior lighting creates vertical bands of distinction. The podium glows outward toward the city streets. It is not spectacle lighting. It is architectural identity. Spring City 66 reshaped Shenyang's commercial landscape. Global luxury brands found a northern anchor here. Architecture became an economic catalyst. But the true achievement remains balance. Balance between power and restraint. Between ambition and discipline. Between global design and local identity. In a skyline of competition, this tower chose clarity. Every bolt tensioned to specification. Every panel aligned to millimeter precision. Every calculation modeled against decades of stress. Architecture is not only about height. It is about intelligence. It is about responsibility. And it is about legacy. Spring City 66 stands as controlled ambition in glass and steel. A reflection of a city rising with purpose. If you look up at a skyline tonight, pause for a moment. Behind every tower lies invisible engineering. This was Spring City 66. And this is Architecture Zone, where structure meets legacy. Until the next skyline, keep rising.